Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths for TNPSC Group 4. First, let's understand the syllabus. The math section typically includes 25 questions, covering a wide range of topics. It's essential to know exactly what to study to maximize your preparation efforts. We'll go through the core areas you need to focus on, ensuring you cover all bases for success in the examination. For effective preparation, your primary resources should be the Tamil Nadu State Board math textbooks from Standard 6 to Standard 10. These books provide a strong foundation and cover most syllabus topics. Additionally, solving at least 10 years of previous question papers is vital. This practice helps you understand the exam pattern and question types, boosting your confidence significantly. Developing smart study strategies is key. Establish a consistent daily study schedule, dedicating at least 1 hour to math. Regular practice is non-negotiable. Solve a minimum of 20 to 30 problems daily to enhance your speed and accuracy. Also, create concise notes of all formulas and important concepts. These notes will be invaluable for quick revisions before the exam. Finally, consistent revision and assessment are crucial. Allocate dedicated time each day and week for reviewing all learned topics. Take full-length mock tests regularly to simulate the actual exam environment and practice time management. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas. Focus on improving these specific areas to ensure comprehensive preparation and achieve a high score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.